I've got a question for you, a question about relationships. Do you feel like sometimes you may actually sabotage a relationship that you're in? Have you ever been in a relationship in the past, or maybe are you in one now and you're afraid it's happening as we speak, that you have sabotaged things in this relationship, that maybe you are doing things or have done things where you're afraid that it may actually push the other person away, cause enough conflict, or cause the other person to feel badly enough that the relationship just falls apart? Sabotage the relationship. That's what sabotage looks like. It leads to the end of a relationship. Well, if a person has found that as a pattern, they have had multiple relationships, romantic relationships, we're talking about, that haven't worked out, it's really important to really start to think about, well, what the heck does this mean? Think about, are you doing certain things that are causing the end of this relationship? Now, one of the most important things to think about is something that you probably aren't thinking about without prompting, and that's this. Do you have some underlying core beliefs that might be causing you to sabotage your relationships? Core beliefs. These are really basic, fundamental beliefs that you may have about yourself that could be causing you to act in a way in your relationships that ultimately leads them to end. All right. So, one of the things that we have gotten from cognitive behavior therapy over the years, one of the most effective types of psychotherapy, called CBT for short, is the understanding that one needs to look at their underlying core beliefs. That if someone is struggling in a particular area in their life, that they are probably operating from certain, what we call, distorted beliefs. Are there some distorted beliefs that you have about yourself? Things that you believe about yourself that aren't necessarily true, but you sure believe them and you hold on to them. You might have certain beliefs about yourself that you use to kind of organize your whole world, organize your expectations for other people, even organize kind of how you see yourself in relationships. This is your role to be this person. That's sort of like an explanation of what a core belief is that one can have about themselves.